is looking into two Twin Ports hospital mergers to make sure the organizations are following state law. Attorney General Keith Ellison made the announcement today and is seeking public input. One is between Essentia Health and Wisconsin-based Marshfield Clinic Health System. The other is between St. Luke's and Aspirus Health. Both Essentia and St. Luke's made those announcements back in July. Ellison is reviewing the mergers and to see if they're in compliance with Minnesota's new entity transaction law, which includes whether the mergers are in the public's interest. The AG's office will hold a community meeting at UMD on October 25th, where the public can speak on both mergers. We have more information on our website right now at northernnewsnow.com.